Hello everyone, welcome back to Blog Series channel. In this video, I am going to share 20 interesting and amazing facts. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for all the notifications of our future videos. Let us start. Fact number 1. Humans close upper eyelid to blink their eyes, whereas birds keep their upper eyelid fixed and bring their lower eyelid to blink eyes except for owl. Fact number 2. If all the blood cells in a human body are attached, they will be 96,500 kilometers long. Fact number 3. 12 bees together produce 1 tablespoon of honey in their lifetime. Fact number 4. In America, at the beginning of the postal services, the people used it to send their children by parcel. The image regarding this incident is still available at the National Postal Museum. Fact number 5. Do you know no one can lick their elbow? Fact number 6. According to National Geography, if every single person stood shoulder to shoulder, then the world's entire population could be able to fit in the 500 square miles of Los Angeles. Fact number 7. The tongue of a blue whale weighs more than an elephant. Fact number 8. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The above sentence uses every alphabet in the English language. Fact number 9. Now it's time for an activity. While sitting, lift your right foot off the floor and make clockwise circles in the air. Now along with that, make anti-clockwise circles with your right hand. While doing this, you can notice that your right foot changes its direction. Fact number 10. Just like fingerprints, the tongue prints of humans differ from one to another. Fact number 11. A newly born kangaroo is very small as a bean. It can be able to fit in a spoon. Its size is approximately 1 inch. Fact number 12. The reason behind the bride and groom go around the fire 7 times in a marriage ritual is that circle consists of 360 degrees. 7 is the only number from 1 to 9 which cannot divide 360 degrees. This ritual is the reflection that no one can divide their relationship. Fact number 13. Pigs cannot look up into the sky in standing position. Fact number 14. The result of the below product consists of ascending and descending orders 1 to 9 and moreover it's a palindrome number. Fact number 15. Nearly 1.6 million ants are there for a single person on this earth. Fact number 16. When we consider spelling of numbers, the alphabet A arises after the number 1000. Fact number 17. Wearing headphones for 30 minutes is not bad, but if you use more than 1 hour, it will increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times. Fact number 18. Hummingbirds can able to flap their wings up to 70 times per second. Fact number 19. The IUPAC name of Titan is very long. It consists of 1,89,819 letters. It will take nearly 3.5 hours to pronounce correctly. Fact number 20. The time taken to reach sunlight to earth is 8.2 minutes. To know many more things like this, please do subscribe Blog Series. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.